Cyclone Amphan, one of the worst storms over the Bay of Bengal in years, will hit Bengal this afternoon. Amphan weakened from a super cyclone to an extremely severe cyclonic storm on Tuesday, causing strong winds and heavy rain in parts of Odisha and Bengal as it advanced towards the Indian coast. More than 3 lakh people have been evacuated in Bengal. Officials anticipate massive destruction when the cyclone strikes. Amphan is expected to pack winds gusting up to 185 km per hour when it crosses West Bengal's Digha and Bangladesh's Hatia. Amphan is only the second super cyclone to form in the northeastern Indian Ocean since records began. Indian Navy is on high alert on the east coast for relief efforts, an official statement said. Early morning visuals showed winds and heavy rain in Paradeep in Odisha and South 24 Parganas in Bengal. 7 districts of Bengal are likely to face the direct impact of the cyclone. Kolkata, which is close to the coast, is also on alert. Describing the vulnerable areas as red plus zones, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said she would stay overnight in the control room tonight. Those living near the coast have been warned against stepping out. Fishermen have been warned to stay off coast. India Meteorological Department Director General Mrityunjay Mohapatra said since the super cyclone is gradually weakening, its impact is unlikely to be severe in Odisha. However, coastal districts like Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapada, Bhadrak and Balasore are likely to be battered by heavy rain coupled with high-speed winds. Amphan, pronounced as Amphan, means sky. The name was given by Thailand in 2004, years ago. The storm is being constantly tracked by Doppler weather radar at Visakhapatnam, Odisha, which was praised for its handling of Cyclone Fani last year, had said last week that it was prepared to evacuate over 1 million people. News Desk.